Dear student, welcome to you e-learning classes managed by Modern Educational Institution of Nevada. Myself Sujay Kumar, mathematics teacher, Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Dear students, after examination, this is the first video of you and related to Pythagoras theorem from examples. So dear students, see carefully of the examples of Pythagoras theorem. All important questions are in Pythagoras in the examples. So please see examples carefully. Now see example 8, that is BL and CM are the medians of triangle ABC, right angled at A. Then prove that 4 BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 BC square. In your question it is given that triangle is a right angle triangle. So it is a right angle triangle. It is given that right angle at A. So it is A and it is right angle. Other name you write B and C because triangle is ABC right angle. And A is right angle. So I write A is right angle. Now BL and CM are the median. BL, that means L is the midpoint of AC. Then this is L is the midpoint of DC. So it is BL and it is the median of triangle ABC. What is median? Median is line segment joining to the midpoints vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. Vertex is B and L is the midpoint of opposite side AC. So BL is the median. Similarly, other median is CM. So M is the midpoint of AB and join it is CM. So BL and CM are the median. Now your questions find BL square plus CM square. So first you find what is BL. So in solution you write what is BL. BL in triangle ABL. It is hypotenuse. So write in solution in triangle ABL. ABL. BL is the hypotenuse. So write BL square is equal to AL square plus AB square. And this AL is equal to AC by 2 because L is the midpoint of AC. So AC by 2 whole square plus AB square. Then AC square by 4 plus AB square. Again take LCM, that is 4. It is AC square plus 4AB square. It is equal to BL square. And BL square is equal to BL square. That implies right here. Now cross multiplication. So 4BL square is equal to AC square plus 4AB square. It is first equation for find the BL. Similarly, next question is CM. So in triangle ACM, in triangle ACM, find out CM is the hypotenuse. So write CM square is equal to AC square plus AM square. AC square plus AM square. Next, CM square is equal to AC square and AM you can write AB by 2 whole square. That is CM square. It is AC square. It is AB square by 4. It is CM square. It is 4. It is 4 AC square plus AB square. That is 4 CM square is equal to 4 AC square plus AB square. It is the first equation. Now 4 CM square बराबर 4 AC square plus AB square. It is the second equation and first equation is 4 BL square is equal to AC square plus 4 AB square. It is second equation. Now adding first and second, what you get? You get 4BL square plus 4CM square is equal to AC square plus 4AB square plus 4AC square plus AB square. Then 4 common. What you get here? Here you get BL square plus CM square, and here you get AC square plus 4AC square, 5AC square, and AB square plus 4AB square, 5AB square. What you get? Take 5 as a common. It is AC square plus AB square. Then 5 AC square plus AB square, AC square plus AB square is equal to BC square. So you can write that is 4 BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 BC square. Proof. That is your question. Now see example 9 of exercise 70. That is in the figure, perpendicular from A on side BC intersect BC at D. Perpendicular drawn from A of triangle ABC to the side BC intersect at D such that BD is equal to 3CD. Such that this BD is equal to 3CD. That means BD is the 3 times of the CD. And prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So dear student, first I write BD is equal to 3CD. It is given. Next, BD plus CD is what? It is BD, it is CD. Then what? It is BC. And write the value of BD, that is 3CD plus CD. That is BC. That is 4CD is equal to BC. So CD is equal to BC by 4. Write equation first. Now your question is find the AB square. So what is AB square? Then AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So it is AD square and BD is equal to 3CD given in your questions. So write here 3CD whole square. Then it is AD square, it is 9CD square. This CD square is here. Then AD square plus CD square, the remaining is 8CD square. Because here is 9CD square, 3CD whole square, that is 9CD square. Then here is 9CD, you take one CD square is here and remaining 8CD square is here. Then what is the value of AD square plus CD square? AD square plus CD square is equal to AC square. And into 8 into CD, and CD is equal to what? BC by 4. Because you have to ask in BC, no CD is here. So I change the CD is equal to BC by 4. I write here BC by 4. Then squaring it, you get BC square by 16. 8 to the 16. Here 2. Now take LCM. That is 2. Here is 1. 1 to the 2. 2 into AC square. 2AC square plus BC square by 2. 2 cross multiplication. What you get? 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. It is your solution. That's all. Now question number 10, that is in triangle ABC, angle B is right angle and D is the midpoint of BC. Then prove that AC square is equal to AD square plus 3CD square. So it is right angle triangle. You can easily find the value of AC, and this AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to AB square, and this BC you can write to BD because D is the midpoint of BC. Then it is equal to AB square plus 4BD square. Here is AB square plus BD square plus 3BD square. Because one BD is here, another remaining is 3BD is there. Now what is the value of AB square plus BD square? AB square plus BD square, that is AD. You have need here AD. So it is AD square and plus 3, and BD and CD both are equal. Your question required is CD. So only change here CD square, and this is your solution. That is question number 10. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and D is the midpoint of BC such that BD is equal to DC because D is the midpoint of DC. Prove that AC square is equal to 4AD square minus 3AB square. Dear student, you have required to AC, and this clear AC is the hypotenuse. So first you find AC square, and this AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Next, it is AB square, and this BC square is equal to 2BD whole square, and then it is equal to AB square plus 4BD square. Next, it is equal to AB square plus 4, and what is BD? BD is equal to AD minus AB, because we are required to AD and AB. So at the place of BD, you can write AD square minus AB square, because BD is the base. So hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, because you have need in your question. Then it is AB square, it is 4AD square, it is minus 4AB square. What you get? You get here 4AD square and AB square and minus 4AB square, that is minus 3AB square. It is your solution, that is proved. So 4AD square minus 3AB square is solution. Example 12. In isosceles triangle ABC such that AB is equal to AC. That means ABC is isosceles such AB and AC are equal, and BD perpendicular to AC. This BD is perpendicular to AC, and you prove that BD square minus CD square is equal to 2CD into AC. Dear student, in these questions, never see what you have to prove. Only when these questions you have remembered some things, then you can solve, otherwise it is not possible. When you find only BD square and CD square subtract, then you get this, it is not possible. So in this question you remember to find AB solution, there no need AB, but in this question you find AB square, and this AB square is equal to, it is AB is the hypotenuse, and it is equal to BD square plus AD square. AB is the hypotenuse, it is right angle, so AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now this AB is equal to AC, so only substitute their value. This AB is AC and RHS is equal, it is BD square plus AD square. Why change here? You can write the AB barabar AC is equal to given. This AB is equal to AC given in your question. So only substitute the value of AB is equal to AC. Now AC is split by AB plus DC. So we write here AB plus CD whole square, because AD plus CD is AC is equal to BD square plus AD square. This BD square, AD square, BD square I write here. Now it is A plus B whole square. So we write A square plus B square plus 2A into B is equal to BD square plus AD square. This AD square and this AD square cancel. So we write 2AD into CD is equal to BD square, and this plus CD square go this side, it is minus CD square. Find out your solution, and if you arrange like this, BD square minus CD square is equal to 2AB into CD. It is your solution. So now see question number 13. In triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, right angle at C, and if right angle C it is an isosceles triangle, then it is clear this AC is equal to BC, because if it is isosceles then never equal to AB. So it is only possible the AC is always equal to BC, because AB is the hypotenuse and hypotenuse is the longest side. So if your question is right angle triangle and isosceles, then it is clear only equal perpendicular and the base. So you can find AB square, it is equal to AC square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Next, AB square it is AC square and BC is also equal to AC. So you write AC square, then AB square is equal to 2AC square. It is proved. That is your solution. Now see question number 14. It is just converse of the question example 13. In this question, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC given. If AB square is equal to 2AC square, prove that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle by converse of Pythagoras, if a square of the one side is equal to the square of other sum of a square of other two sides, then triangle is right angle triangle. So by converse of Pythagoras, you can solve this problem. So first you draw the figure. Suppose I write the figure and your question is AC. This is AC is equal to BC. This is BC. So this AC is equal to BC. You draw the figure, you have to prove right angle. So draw the figure like this. If its question is AC and here is BC, it is equal. But this is not right angle triangle. You have to prove it is right angle triangle. So dear student, what you have given here? You have given here that AB square is equal to 2AC square. It is given in your question. So you write this AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square. Next, AB square, it is equal to AC square and this AC is equal to BC. Because these are the isosceles, so AC is equal to BC. So what you find out? You find out AB square is the AC square plus BC square. So by the converse of Pythagoras, a square of the one side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. Then it is clear, it is right angle triangle. So you write, so by converse of Pythagoras theorem, angle C is 90 degree. It is your question because one angle is 90, then that triangle is right angle triangle. Now see example 15, very important questions for it. That is ABC is a right triangle in which angle C is 90 degree. I draw a figure. ABC is a right angle FC, so it is a right angle triangle. CD perpendicular to AB, this CD perpendicular to AB, BC is equal to AE. This is BC and it is a small a denoted by side denoted in the small letter of the alphabet, that is it is A. AB denoted by C, this is AB denoted by C, and CD denoted by P and AC denoted by B. Now your questions prove that CP is equal to AB. In these questions I solve with the help of the areas of triangle. Here the triangle, the area of this triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. But in this triangle, 2 base and 2 height. When you take AB, AC as the perpendicular and BC as the base, then area is 1 by 2 into BC into AC. But when you take AB as the base, then that times height is the CD. Because when AC is the base, AB is the base, then height is the CD. So you draw to find the area of two triangle with two methods and equalize them, then you can find your solution. That is, in triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AC. 1 by 2 into base into height. It is equal to 1 by 2 into A into B. That is equation first. Now again area of triangle ABC. Now base is the AB, height is the CD. So your solution is 1 by 2 into AB into CD. And it is equal to 1 by 2 into C into P. Second equation. But both are the area of triangle ABC. So LHS are equal. Then you can write RHS will be equal. So here is 1 by 2 A into B is equal to 1 by 2 C into P. 1 by 2 cancel. Then AB is equal to CP. Proof. It is your first equation. CP is equal to AB. You can find your solution first. Next, you have need to prove this. So first prove first, then try to prove second. Then now your question is to prove 1 by P square. Then you write CP is equal to AB prove above. Just you prove it above. Hence, you can write P is equal to AB by C. P is equal to AB by C. Write the reciprocal form. Then it is 1 by P is equal to C by AB. And squaring both sides. Then you get here is 1 by P square, here is C square, and it is A square, B square. What you get? You get here is 1 by P square is equal to C square. C square is the hypotenuse. So you can write at the place of this is A square plus B square. Because C square is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC by A square B square. Then it is equal to 1 by P square, A square by A square B square plus B square by A square B square. This B square cancel, here is A square cancel. So what you get here? You get here 1 by P square is equal to 1 by B square by 1 by A square. That is your solution. You have found 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus B square. This is the last question of today's session. Next examples I solve in next video. So please solve with the help of the video.